Sheikh, I find it really hard to make my environment good. It is easy at home, but when I meet my friends, I stray off a little. When What can I do? I don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone, then look for the good friends. Mariam, you can go to those neighbors who are good friends, who are practicing sisters, or you can see the masjid around you or the centers where the Muslim sisters study circles are going on. Alhamdulillah, and change your environment. Don't be with those people who are danger to your iman. So alhamdulillah, because you don't know, maybe they will be badly influenced by shaitan, and you will ultimately, and haram, Quran says that وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Cooperate with the people in the things that will bring them close to Allah, that will increase their taqwa, and also in the good things, the rewarding things. And do not cooperate with the people who are, going away from Allah and going into indecent behaviors, indecent actions. So, but that means it is based on the friends that you are with. If you are going with the bad friends, then be strong and take them out of the bad things and help them, guide them to the good things. Don't be naive, don't be weak, and don't be victim of that. And if you can't, then avoid. And alhamdulillah, it's better. وَقَرْنَ فِي بُيُوتِكُنَّ وَلَا تَبَرُّجْنَ تَبَرُّجَ الْجَاهِلِيَّةِ الْأُولَى. So this is in the Quran, in Surah Al-Ahzab, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that for the women, for protection of their iman, they should, stay in the house instead of going out. And when they go out, they should not adorn themselves so that they become the property for the people to look at them and get the temptation of. And that's why I tell, my brothers and sisters, I tell even my daughters that when you go out, wear decent dress. Wear the dresses that, people will start respecting you, looking at you as a decent woman. But when you are going in a street and the way your uniform and the dress is, which invites the people to look at your bodies, look at your shape and figures, and look at your, and get attracted towards you, this is haram, because that person will not be sinful. You will be sinful because you will be inviting people to commit that sin.